So guys, this is how it looks. I just wear the Stoggle glasses, and my one is light sensitive, so I add light sensitivity. I don't know, I'm just increasing my light just now, and it is on the medium setting, and I will turn it to high. And you guys can, if you guys can notice that it is turning dark, please let me know on the comments. And if you guys want to see a review of that, please let me know. Until then, bye. So guys, after almost 4 months, my Stoggles sunglasses just arrived. After I just got back from my trip. So guys, this is the packet, how it arrived. So it takes a long time, and for my country of Bangladesh I have to pay taxes. So guys, let's unbox it. So quickly unbox it. We just rip it open like this, and inside I think this toggle, right? Nothing else, so we just remove it. So guys, this is the Stoggle glasses, whatever you said. It comes like this, nicely bottle shape boxed. Here are the some features which we already saw: anti-fog, and also side protect and blue light card and everything. Here is a, and here are the features. You can get a screenshot and read if you want to read it. So nice packaging up to now. So very simple, nice packaging. Wow. Now this looks cool. So this is the Stoggle sunglasses, guys. As you can see, the light is very high. I think we have to take the light to be till low. So this is the Stoggles sunglasses. So this is it, Stoggle. So I ordered the square one, branding on the Stoggle, nice can like shaped. Oh, this is locked also. So I ordered the blue color, so it looks very nice. So I'm excited. Here is also badging Stoggle, and Stoggle is also here. So that is it, and this is the nice can look of the product. So I have to like open this shield, so I just open it now. I don't know how it opens. Let's see. I think I just have to, I don't know. It is sealed, guys, so I don't know how to. Okay, I think I have to tear it open. Yes, yeah, this is the thing. I have to tear it open, and so there goes nothing, and here I can open it, right? Wow, this looks nice. So nicely packed. Okay, so this is the in the can, like it's this is the Stoggle sunglasses. Oh, it feels nice in the hand. It's look like it's high quality, so the quality is nice. Yeah, the quality is quite nice. Okay, and it feels smooth. I don't know it is how durable it is, but it looks not so heavy, but I think it's quite durable. So it will see in the review. I will, if you guys want to see a review, please comment on the comment section. So this is the Stoggle glasses. And what else we got? We got only the pouch. This is the pouch, nice Stoggle badging on it. So this is the pouch, and inside the pouch there is something, I think. Oh, it's okay. There is adjust your fit. Okay, adjust your fit. Okay, I have to read it. I think this is some kind of manual inside the pouch, also in recycled paper. This is also in recycled paper. That's nice. That's very green. I appreciate it. And also this is also in recycled paper. This is also nice. So guys, that is it, and these are the glasses and nothing else in the box. Nice packing. I just show you nice packing. These are the things you will get with your Stoggle glasses if you order. So these are the things, guys. Oh, and also there is some important anti-fogging note. Okay, this is also a manual. So that's it, two manuals and a carrying pouch, and just these Stoggle glasses. That it, and nothing else. Okay, guys, see you on the next video. Until then, bye.